Welcome. If you're someone who loves sharing videos on Discord but wants to save on data, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable Data Saver for video uploads on Discord Mobile. This updated guide will help you keep your data usage in check while still sharing all your favorite moments with friends and communities. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're on the main screen, look down in the bottom right corner. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up your user settings. Now, scroll through the settings menu until you find the option labeled Chat. It's usually grouped with other messaging and appearance settings. Tap on Chat to open up more options related to how you send and receive messages on Discord. Here's where the magic happens. Under the Chat settings, look for a section called Video Uploads. This is where you can control how videos are uploaded from your device. You'll see an option labeled Data Saver. Tap on it to enable Data Saver mode for your video uploads. With Data Saver turned on, Discord will automatically reduce the quality of videos you upload, helping you use less data without stopping you from sharing your favorite clips. This is perfect if you're on a limited data plan or just want to be more mindful about your internet usage. And that's it! You've successfully enabled Data Saver for video uploads on Discord Mobile. Now you can keep sharing videos with your friends and communities while saving data at the same time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.